Hello guys, get ready because in this video I am going to show you how to fix no GPS signal lost in Infinix Hot 60. So watch this video carefully and follow every step as I am showing in video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, click on my phone and then click on check for updates. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, then go back and scroll down and click on system and then click on reset phone. Now click on erase all data. Basically it means factory data reset. It will remove all the data in your device like photos, videos, documents. Everything will be removed in your device. Now click on erase all data. After do factory data reset, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.